Hi there, this is Bernie Mitchell again. We're going to do something a little different today. We're going to actually look at the SPY, the SPY, which is the stock equivalent of the S&P 500. And rather than show you trades we did last week, we're going to show you a trade that may come up tomorrow. So what we're going to try to do is find a very high probable trade using our Fib Cluster Quattro software, where we develop confluence levels. And when we develop a confluence level, we actually use more than one trend. In this case, we're going to actually analyze two trends off this chart. Okay, the first trend, we're actually going to look at from the high bar to the low bar. That's what we call the big trend. And then the second trend that we're going to analyze and run our confluence cluster levels is the small trend from this high, which was the rally high on Friday, to the same low bar. Okay, so the very first thing we do is we take our trend line and we run it off the high bar to the low bar. There we go. Now we open that up in our trade station. And immediately on a screen are four levels: lower resistance 134.59, what we call SP level 134.97, 135.40, and 135.86. These are our four resistance levels using the big trend. But we want to do more than one trend. We want to create a confluence level. And for that, we're going to run our trend line off the smaller trend. That is this high bar there and the same low bar. And then we'll have to format that trend line to a different color. In this case, we're going to format it to a cyan color. And there's our cyan color. And then we're going to open up, again in our trade station, the cyan trend line, close that. And now we have four additional levels in cyan. Now you'll notice that low resistance is now 133.77. The SP level is 133.98, 134.24, and then 134.66. What's interesting here is that 134.56, which is maximum resistance on the small trend, and 134.59, which is lower resistance on the big trend, are very close together, only separated by 7/100ths of a point, or 7 cents. We'll split that difference and we'll say 134.63 is the middle of that range between those two levels. And if we take 7 cents off, which is our fading level, we're at 134.57. That is our actual entry price, 134.57 on Monday if we want to get short the spiders. Okay, now this trade is good provided that no new lows are made. If a new low happens to be made, you'll need to run these cluster levels again to come up with a new confluence level. But if no new lows are made, this will be our shorting level, 134.57. Now, whenever you get short, you want to use protective stops. It's extremely important, where to place those stops. This is what we teach, one of the things we teach in our training course. Now, we offer the Fibonacci Cluster Quattro software at a price of $377 on our website, www.feargree.com. If you want to end up taking the complete training, we allow you to subtract the cost of that software off the training for a net cost after of $620. $620. Now, past performance is never a guarantee of future results, and there's always risk in trading, whether it's futures or stocks. So this is Bernie Mitchell. Hope we get this trade off on Monday. See you guys next week. Take care and have a great day.